Watch this. I know a cheat code to make us go down faster. I'm a gay little fairy. Open the door, please.
Coming in hot on the left wall. 720 with the grab. Oh my word, he spun it clean. Blocks the landing, still rolling. Kick with the Becky Bull. Crowd is losing it. What? What? Hawking rolling in, run two. Look at this fade building on that chair. He's locked in. Big pump coming up the wall. He can't find the sideways.
Do you know ball production?